accuracy in cooking, grilling, and industrial applications, much like the precision mechanical keyboards offered to typists and gamers. A digital laser infrared thermometer provides non-contact, instant temperature readings for surfaces, liquids. List number 1. The Klein Tools IR1 is a professional-grade infrared thermometer designed for non-contact temperature measurement. Its laser targeting allows precise aiming, while the digital display delivers fast readings across a wide temperature range. Compact and ergonomic, it is comfortable for extended use, making it ideal for both industrial and culinary applications. The IR1 features a durable casing to withstand frequent handling, and its simple interface ensures ease of operation. Whether measuring hot surfaces, liquids, or equipment, this thermometer offers accuracy, reliability, and convenience, making it a top choice for professionals and serious home cooks alike. List number. The ThermoPro TP450 features dual laser targeting for enhanced precision on larger or uneven surfaces, ideal for grills, pizza ovens, and cooking surfaces. Its infrared sensor provides instant temperature readings on a large backlit LCD display. With a wide temperature range suitable for high heat applications, it ensures food is cooked safely and evenly. The thermometer is lightweight, ergonomic, and battery efficient, designed for quick, comfortable use during intense cooking sessions. Its dual laser design and reliable performance make the TP450 an excellent choice for home chefs, grill enthusiasts, and professional kitchens seeking precision and speed. List number. The Kizen LP300 is a handheld infrared thermometer designed for fast and accurate surface temperature measurement. The laser pointer ensures precise aiming, while the digital display provides instant readings. Its wide temperature range covers cooking, grilling, and even industrial use, offering versatility in multiple applications. Lightweight and ergonomic, it allows easy operation for prolonged periods without fatigue. The durable casing protects the device from drops or spills, making it suitable for both kitchen and workshop environments. For users seeking reliable, versatile, and professional-grade non-contact temperature measurement, the Kizen LP300 delivers consistent results every time. List number 4. The Etekcity 774 is a popular infrared thermometer, ideal for grilling, baking, and cooking applications. Its laser-guided sensor allows for precise targeting of hot surfaces, while the digital LCD provides quick, accurate readings. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to handle and maneuver over grills, stovetops, or pizza stoves. The thermometer's wide temperature range ensures versatility across many cooking scenarios. And the simple interface makes it beginner-friendly. While it lacks a dual laser design, the Etekcity 774 is affordable, reliable, and accurate, making it a great choice for home chefs and casual grillers alike. List number. This digital infrared thermometer gun provides fast, non-contact temperature readings for cooking, grilling, and pizza ovens. Its laser pointer ensures precise targeting, while the digital LCD displays temperature instantly. Lightweight and ergonomic, it is easy to hold during prolonged use. The thermometer's wide temperature range accommodates both low and high heat applications, making it versatile for multiple culinary tasks. Its durable design ensures long-term reliability, while the compact size makes it portable and convenient. For backyard chefs or professionals seeking speed, convenience, and accuracy, this thermometer offers excellent performance at a reasonable price.